Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Donda's Life, and here is my Tropical Birds by Patrice Murciano. It's a painting by Diamond Art Club. It is all finished. This is for my Fly Free DP along that is being hosted by Jenny, the Uncrafty Crafter, as well as Mindy's Diamond Moment. Please go check out either of their channels, and I will have their links down in the description below. But I'm done. Yay! I actually thought I was doing a whip and chat, and I thought I was babbling away to you guys, and I noticed my camera was off. So I do apologize. I did intend on finishing this with you, but that is not the way it went. So just want to pick this up and bring it closer. This thing is a beauty. I'll do this as my post review instead, just to talk about the painting itself. Really don't have a lot of bad things to say about this one. I was actually very happy with it. I don't know if you guys can get the sparkle off that, but it is. It's beautiful. So this one had 1, 2, 3 ABs. Not tons of AB on this one. It had some pinks up and through here, and in through the feathers a bit. On the shoulders there were some blues. There was a pop of green here and there. A little bit of green down here. I'm telling you, this painting was so much fun to put together. Some people would look at this and say, oh my god, that's so much white. It really, honestly, what I liked about it was doing the white around it to catch it into the colors, so that by the time I got to the color, the white was gone. And then I kind of worked at half, and then once I was able to move my light board up to the second half, I just kind of did the white around. Did the white around the one bird, did the one bird, got that one finished, and then finished the white, and then finished this bird. This bird is my favorite. I think when I was in Mexico, the bird that sat on me, I thought he had red wings, but that was so many years ago. I do know he had a yellow belly. But yeah, I love these birds. These birds are majestic to me, but they're also very scary. So as much as I love birds, definitely this is not a bird that I would own. This is a bird that I would look at in awe and love. The rendering on it, I mean, I'm just moving it away here for a second. The further back you look at it, the more you really see the detail in what it is. I don't have a problem telling what this is at all. The colors give it away. The shapes give it away. The detail, I don't know. You'd have to decide for yourself. What do you think of the detail of this one? At one point I was thinking, geez, I wish I was a little bit bigger, but I don't know that they would have got a hell of a lot more detail into it if they had. So I'm quite happy with this. Still feeling for those little, I spend my time looking to see if there's any pop drills. I get satisfaction out of that. I don't know if any of you do, but I haven't been able to find any today. Okay, I'll leave it there. But yes, Patrice Murciano, I really like his work. This is the second one I've done. I have also done Chupa, and I do have Buddha Feng Shui, and then I also have, I believe it's the one where he's holding the world in the palm of his hands. So I'm looking forward to both of those. The really neat thing about him is all of his paintings are either purely white with the subject in the center, or purely black with the subject. And my Feng Shui is white, and I believe I can't remember if it's called We Are the People or The World is in Your Hands, something like that. That one is completely black, so it'll be interesting to see something different. But so far as the quality of the drills, I was really happy. I did have some junk in here, but a lot of times my junk is just me putting in drills that I find laying around, and I can't figure out what I don't want to take the time to figure out which one they are. There was mini drills in here There was a bit more static than I liked. And what was the other thing? These long pieces. I found a few of those. But other than that, nothing imaginable, like nothing unmanageable. I'm glad that I have that. In fact, I'm going to start keeping my drills now. This is what's left of, I think it's 2 paintings of the Diamond Art Club wax. I started using it again just to kind of see how it went, and I haven't been completely unhappy with it. The biggest problem I have with the wax is that you do get traces of the wax on the drills. And if you're dealing with an ABBEY, sometimes it'll take the wax right out of the pen. So those are my biggest complaints about the wax. Other than that, and it dries out kind of quickly. With the new containers that got sent in the toolkit, they're actually now inside a container. So as long as you remember to put it back in there, you should be okay. And what else do I want to say about this? I hope you guys like it. It's very pretty. I don't know, parrots just something that can talk back at you, even if it's not, you know, they're cognitively coming up with a statement, although that can be debated. I don't know. But man, there's just something about an animal that talks back to you. And I just have always loved birds ever since I was a little girl. I did actually own a little budgie named Charlie, and I had him until he passed away. But I love birds. I would definitely get a bird. But this time I think I would get a bigger bird, not a macaw. But like I would love a conure or an Indian ringneck, something that size. What about you? Do you guys like birds? Would you ever own a bird, or are you just, it's fine to see them, but you would rather not have one? The hardest thing with birds is if you go away, they become very dependent on you, and very they can get very mad at you if you go away and leave them for too long. So I don't know if I'm too old for a bird, but I can dream. Anyways, that's going to be it for me today. This is the Beautiful Tropical Birds by Patrice Murciano. I hope you enjoyed my little ramble about my experience with it. I had a lot of fun, and actually I started this on the beginning of the month. It is now the 15th. I could have been done much faster, like I said, but I did take days off here and there. This was not a hard one to do at all. There's a little bit of confetti in it, but then lots of single placing, or lots of multi-placing, or I don't know what you call it. Lots of chunks of color that you can multi-place in, and it was just the right mix of the right thing. And this painting was definitely something I needed to do mentally. So that's gonna do it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do like these types of videos, please remember to give me a thumbs up, as well as hitting the subscribe bell, and then of course the notification bell if you want to be notified. Also, I'm on TikTok and I'm on Instagram. TikTok is Dawn Does Life for Real. Instagram is Dawn Does Life. That's just it. It's the same as YouTube. And if you want to catch me over there, catch up with me, say hi, check out my pictures over there, that would be greatly appreciated. Other than that, thanks so much for checking it out. I will see you guys all in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.